The Panama Kite Center in Panama is undoubtedly one of the best kitesurfing centers I have ever visited. From start to finish, I was thrilled by the exceptional experience, the first-class service, and the breathtaking location. The location is simply stunning and offers optimal conditions for kitesurfing enthusiasts of all skill levels, including a lagoon for beginners. The place is secluded enough to offer a peaceful and relaxed atmosphere, yet close to amenities such as restaurants and accommodations. The customer service at the Panama Kite Center is outstanding. The entire team is friendly, helpful, and always strives to make the stay unforgettable for guests. They are always available to answer questions, offer advice, and organize additional activities. I felt welcome and valued from the very first moment. The center also offers various activities such as stand-up paddleboarding, yoga classes, and excursions. Many thanks to the whole team and to Flo. The Panama Kite Center is a true kitesurfing paradise, plenty of space, a shallow lagoon, consistent winds, and the most beautiful sunsets after a kite session. I was there for a month and, apart from 4 days, was able to get out of the water every day. Even if there's a lull in the wind, you'll never be bored thanks to the many activities the center offers. Another highlight is the food. It's not only incredibly delicious but also varied, with plenty of options for vegetarians and vegans. The center is in a quiet location, yet still allows for quick access to the center of Punta Chame. Those who need to work remotely will find everything they need: stable and fast Wi-Fi, a view, and, if required, an air-conditioned workspace. A huge thank you to the warm and welcoming staff who create a family atmosphere from the very first moment. Florian, the owner, has created a true paradise here. An absolute must for every kite surfer. After a year in Panama, we discovered PKC. We absolutely loved this place. We try to go every Friday and stay until Sunday or Monday. Being able to go in the water multiple times and seeing your daughter and wife having a blast is priceless. There's great company, delicious food, and a fantastic atmosphere. It's excellent for going alone or with family. Everyone has a great time. There's the option to camp, stay in glamping, which is fantastic and fun, or rent a room. Now we just need this quarantine lifted. That's what we miss most about Panama. I bumped into this place on my way to Punta Chame, a few blocks to the side of the main road to the village, and found an amazing place to relax and do kitesurf during the weekend at about an hour and a half from Panama City. The owner is in charge of his place, making sure everything is great all the time, and has a nice beach restaurant at reasonable price, $8 to $15. I spent a night at a small studio there with seaside view next to the kite launch area for spectacular views of the sunset and kite surfing. Definitely a must-go to while in Panama City. Punta Chame is a sweet and yet unknown place, which means it's ideal to learn kite surfing. Also, there is enough space along the shore for advanced kite surfer. I visited Florian's Kite Center last year in November and it's very charming. You will find everything you need, and in the meantime I have seen lovely accommodation also. If you are seeking to bike or kite gear, Flo is now also registered dealer, next to Cabrina. My recommendation: come end of December or later. November is too early, if you are looking for stable wind conditions.